Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be another cleaning video, part of the spring cleaning series. This time we are going to be doing the living room. My living room needs a lot of work. This is the room that everybody comes in, you know, kind of pretty much it's just everybody, this is everybody's favorite room. We spend so much time in here together, the dogs, the toddler, everything. So this room is pretty dirty, needs some serious love. So we're gonna deep clean the living room today, kind of just like what we've been doing, moving through the house. Again, I don't know, I'm filming these all kind of like in one day, so I don't know when they're gonna go up, but if my outfit or anything looks similar or familiar, then it is because I am pretty much cleaning my entire house in one day. It's just easier that way right now with Jack. So we're just going to power through and spring clean. I'm sure you're gonna see the dogs in this video, probably Jack. It's just going to be how it is. So if you need cleaning motivation or you want to see how I clean my living room for the springtime, excuse all of Jack's noises, then just stick along or stick around and we're gonna clean the living room. Thanks. I am so sorry that the lighting is terrible in this clip. It is just so hard to film cleaning windows and making the lighting look decent. But in this clip, I'm using the, I believe it's the Sprayway glass cleaner. It's the one that I think works the best.
And I wish that we could be better. I keep asking what's the use. Maybe we'll know when we get older. Wish I didn't care about you. Oh, I wish I did. Oh, I wish I did. I can't run away from us. Been thinking you're the one. Been thinking you're the one, the one. I never should have loved you, but I keep holding on. Been thinking you're the one, the one. Been thinking you're the one, the one.
Okay, so while I was spring cleaning, I was actually watching Contine, and the show that you can see in this clip is actually The Handmaid's Tale that I have been obsessed with on Hulu. If you haven't seen it yet, go and watch it. It is a fantastic show.
So I try to make my scars all shine, and I try to see you from above. But then you call my name, say baby mine.
Okay, so normally when I spring clean, I usually vacuum my couch, but for some reason my small vacuum that you've seen me using was not charging, or was not charged. So I decided to just kind of do it later because obviously it was going to take a while to charge. So I did not finish filming it in this video, but I did end up doing it. And then in this clip, as you've seen in the previous spring cleaning videos, I am just cleaning my baseboards and walls with a mixture of warm water and lavender pine salt. And if you're like me and you're focusing on that stain on my carpet, I am so sorry. For those of you who have watched my channel, you know my smallest dog, which is also my oldest dog, Lucy, she's getting older. And when we first moved into this house, she had accidents all over the carpet. And for the life of me, I can't get the stains out of my carpet. I've tried, we've got a rug cleaner, we've got everything. Nothing seems to work. So unfortunately, I have that stain, but I'm still trying any new products or anything I can possibly think of to get it out. As this video is coming to an end, I know it was a pretty short one this time, but obviously it took me a lot longer to actually clean the room and do every single baseboard and everything. And I hope you're enjoying watching my dog try to attack the vacuum. Still don't know why he does that. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you motivation. And if it did, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and I will see you in the next spring cleaning video. Thanks!